I got stopped by police. Well guys, today I'm in between minds. I know I'm going to Prairie to get the potato pudding, and I might take that opportunity and go take a dip in the beach. I might go to the Cove or Port or Seco, depending on how I feel when I get there. And yes, it's just me one heading out there, and I'm looking forward to it, just to dip in the water and just to drive. When I come back, I can't stay too long. Might take me an hour and a half, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna take the highway to Discover Bay or Runway Bay or Ocherous, wherever. My lower back is killing me. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. I forgot my tripod, so I'll see how much footage I can get when I'm driving. So let's hit the road, Jack. That's where I'm heading. I'm at the toll, guys. I don't know. It said when I just entered it 33.84 per kilometer. So I'll see how much it comes to. So I got this card when you just enter the toll, and now I have to give it to whoever's in the toll booth and see what it comes up to. I don't know. When you're coming from the south coast, that's like St. Elizabeth, coming through Clarendon and so on, you pay $2.50 for first class, like not first class in terms of first class, but like the size of your vehicle. And then when you get to the other toll, at least the Portmore and stuff, then you pay like $6.70 for this car kind of thing. So we'll see. I got stopped by police for speeding apparently on a 80. I didn't know the highway was 80, but I was coming on a steep hill, so of course the car is gonna pick up momentum. And then I started braking, and then they stepped out and pulled me over. So I gave him my driver's license. Of course it's not a Jamaican driver's license, and he's there. I don't know who he's talking to around there. And then he comes back and says, "When are you leaving?" I'm like, "I'm leaving on Sunday." So he's like, "All right," and give me, because of course it's a ticketable offense. I'm like, okay, because who are you gonna ticket? Anyway, let's see. I'm next in line. See how much she says it is. Oh, 2,050. And this is the new money. All right, guys. I think I'm in St. Anne. Yes, I'm close to Ochi. Yeah. See when I get there. I'm coming up to my very first prep school, the school that I started preparatory at. It's called Columbus Prep. That was my first school. I went kindergarten here. I don't know if you can see it because I'm in a traffic circle, but it's that building over there. That was the school I went to when I lived in Ocherous as a child. I'm hoping Bus Preparatory. There it is. That's my old school. That's a baby. That's 5. Memories. I made it to Puerto Rico, and I'm gonna go in and see what's happening. They said 2,500 for adults. I can get lockers to rent, which is excellent, because this is what you call a solo trip. Hello. How are you? Do I talk to you guys first?
You're traveling alone?
That would be right. So make sure I'm taken care of.
So the admission fee is $2,000.
2,000?
2,000 Jamaican dollars.
Okay.
No outside food or beverages allowed.
No.
You'll be subjected to a search by the security.
Okay.
We also have a no refund and no re-entry policy. So if you
Okay.
have anything left inside your vehicle, we advise you to bring it forward. Alright?
Okay.
So you make your payment by the glass window.
Okay. And then I can pay for the locker as well?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. At this point, I had just put away all my stuff in the locker, so I didn't get any footage of me being in the water or having lunch. It's raining. Made it back to Kingston in time, and now I'm spending some wonderful time with my sister and her girls, my niecey poos. Can the apple do this? Yes.
What can Apple do?
Cheers. A hot beverage. Oh, how many hands touch that?
I know you're videoing me, you know.
I know. Because you get too much talking.
Hi guys, make sure you subscribe. Don't watch if you're not gonna subscribe.
You heard?
This is what Alexi can put in there. Sub
The Chinese.
It's right here.
What do you want? What are you whining about? What do you want? Some dried rat? Some dried squid?
This is dried pork.
I want
Spice.
this.
Dried pork. I think this is the dried.
I just don't understand these prices. Like for $10 for those chocolate things?
Mommy. Privacy.
That's the worst drink you can ever drink. It has been recalled in Canada. It's not good for you.
What about this?
None of those energy drinks are good for you.
Everybody knows.
Ooh, and here is cool.
Oh, they have the drinks.
Look at this.
Oh, yes. Look at the cup. I thought that was
My nieces
Yeah, come with me.
giving me hell.
This is how tall I am to you.
Your mother such already, you know.
So guys, I wear my grandmother's slippers.
No such things. When you buying soy sauce? On a cook?
It's not soy sauce. It's from this. Where?
But on a cook?
Yes,
On
I
a,
will cook ramen.
Alright, go, go. Your mom said she's ready. What did you pick up what you wanted, Reagan? No, she's buying. She said she brought her money.
Different store.
You ready? Come, mommy said she's ready. Let's go.
Let's go.
She said she need lotion. She said Subway. Come, let's go. Okay, Mikkel, you're gonna do what? Text a taxi back? Oh. Can I cash this here? Sure. Take up the lotion. Come, take up the lotion and come. Jesus, she's taking up a lotion.
Okay, sure.
Sometime today. We can't. That's shampoo.
Yeah, that's fine.
You don't even know lotion different from shampoo. You don't like that? Sage, let's go. And then the indeed with me.
Where's Sage?
Just remember these things are in here.
Yeah.
Okay?
Can you fix it better? Yeah. That's nieces. At the front seat in the back. Look back.
What made that noise?
I don't know.
Front door? Oh, video man, a big baby. You still video all this time? Here you go.
What's the flavor for the milkshake?
There she is. You can ask her. I'm not even seeing your face. Oh, I'm sorry. Pistachio, please. Ooh. It's the same. It's Mother's who owns it. Where is she digging? I thought that was pistachio. Oh. You ready? You ready for that? Friday? You guys? Auntie never lotion or dry food.
You think I said son up like this?
I don't know. Do you?
You think I walk like this?
No, just one of your foot turn.
So when people at school say I walk like this?
Why do you care? Stop caring what they say. They don't know you to care. Is grape nut just as good as it used to be? Let's see. Where's... You don't like it? Eh? You don't like grape nut? fruit. What's your favorite flavor? Are you working at ice cream store? Yeah, not the same. Guys, after leaving Devon house, I was so exhausted I didn't vlog anymore. I just went home and slept. Don't forget to subscribe.